Hi viewers, welcome to Green Treasure. The presentation is about nature's remedies of lemon. Though small in size, this bright yellow fruit is packed with essential nutrients that support overall health. The highlights of this video tutorial will be the health benefits of lemon in detail and some of the extra tips for daily use. As I said, lemon, a citrus lemon, a nutrient-rich fruit, is a popular citrus fruit with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. So before we will discuss the health benefits, let us discuss the taxonomic features of this fruit. Common name lemon and a family Rotaceae, genus citrus and species lemon. It is a small evergreen tree or a shrub 3 to 6 meters tall with thorny branches and oval-shaped leaves, as you see on the right side. And its fruit is called as Hesperidium. We'll discuss it in the next slide, which is yellow or green with acidic juice and thick rind or it is cover. So citrus lemon is basically a tropical fruit. The fruit, lemon fruit, is Hesperidium, which is a specialized berry. It's formed from a single ovary with multiple carpels. That's why you will find an extra external covering which is called as the exocarp, which will be its rind. The outer leathery skin of the fruit that is often with the oil glands, and then this white, which is mesocarp or albedo, the white spongy layer between the rind and the pulp, which is rich in pectin and fiber, and then the internal segmented area, which is the pulp or the endocarp. The juicy segmented part of the fruit containing juice vesicles, and these juice vesicles also have within them the seeds, though it is a specialized berry which is called as the Hesperidium. Lemon cultivation in India, as you see, the origin of this fruit is from Southeast Asia, specifically Himalayan foothills of the Northeast India. And as per the production is concerned, India is at the global rank the first in lemon production worldwide. Top producing status Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. And you see the annual production in as per 2023, it is 3.7 billion kg, that is 16.04% of the global production. So India is the origin for this plant, and they are at the rank 1 as per the global rank is concerned in the production of the lemon. What is the nutritional profile of it? 100 milliliters of this juice, as it has an energy of 30 to 35 kilocalories. It has carbohydrates, it is a fiber 2.3 grams, sugar in it, protein 1.1, fat 0.3 grams, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, citric acid and flavonoids, and pH is acidic. So now you can understand the nutritional value of it. A boost of vitamin C 53.2 milligram, and also potassium and citric acid, and full of energy. As per the peel is concerned, the yellow part of this peel only, leaving the white aside. This lemon peel has in it the components as limonene, which is a monoterpene, acts as an antioxidant and is a potential anti-inflammatory, having an anti-inflammatory effects. In addition to this, there is an alpha terpenine and flavonoids are there. Hesperidium, they may strengthen the capillary walls and have an antioxidant effects. There are volatile compounds which have potential antimicrobial effects, like as this is a monoterpenogeranyl, which is monoterpenide alcohol. There is one which is called linalool and citral nerol gerania. These are the components which are present within the peel of the lemon. As you understand now, nutritional profile, that it has a vitamin C which will act as an antioxidant. It has a citric acid which is having an alkalizing effect. It has flavonoids, they have an anti-inflammatory effect. There is a D-limonene which has acts as a digestive aid, and also it is rich in vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, and is a good source of flavonoids, laminoids and potassium. Contains citric acid, malic acid and other organic acids. It's a full package of nutrients. What are the health benefits? We will discuss them one by one. First of all, it reduces uric acid levels, that is, it can be a good treatment for gout. Anti-inflammatory properties, it elevates the arthritis symptoms. A rich source of vitamin, that is, it will be effective against a vitamin C deficiency. It soothes sore throats, inflammation of mouth and throat, aids digestion, acts as a digestive, is good for the digestive disorders, and it boosts the immune system and others. We will discuss them one by one. The health benefits, it has an enormous health benefit. First of all, how we feel that lemon juice may treat the gout is a painful joint due to uric acid crystals built up, often which affect big toe and joints. So gout is basically a painful joint inflammation, uric acid and uric acid crystals. Lemon juice composition is as an vitamin C and also the ascorbic acid within it, and there are flavonoids and citric acid. So it has an effect on two things. One is it cause uric acid and there will be more urine. As a result, there will be the flush out of the uric acid crystals with the urine. It can also weakly inhibit the xanthine oxidase. That xanthine oxidase leads to the reduction in the uric acid. It can inhibit that pathway. As a result, there will be a reduced uric acid. At the same time, the flavonoids and the citric acid, they act as an antioxidant, and they can block the inflammatory pathway COX, LOX and cytokines. As a result, there will be a reduced oxidative stress and inflammation. So that means it will have two-pronged effect. One will be less uric acid crystals, less acid, and then there will be reduction, or there will be less inflammation. As a result, reduced inflammation that leads to the relief from the gout, which is a painful joint inflammation. So lemon juice can be used as a treatment for the gout. It is boosting since lemon juice is rich in vitamin and that supports the immune cell function like neutrophils, macrophages, and that enhances the pathogen killing, and it is also as a powerful antioxidant which strengthens the immunity and protects the body from the infections. What is the possible mechanism of this? Antioxidant effect is vitamin C, ascorbic acid neutralizes free by donating electrons. There are number of free radicals available. It is electrons to those free radicals. They are becoming the ascorbyl radical, which are relatively stable. As a result, it is reducing the oxidative stress and the inflammation. And also the flavonoids, hesperidin and others which are present in the lemon, they scavenge the free radicals. They eliminate the free radicals, and they may in turn also help to regenerate the vitamin C. So lemon juice is boosting the immunity through this. Also it supports the first of all, it is a hydrate. It encourages fluid. It has an antioxidant properties. It reduces oxidative stress and also potential uric acid reduction, as we have seen in Vitamin C inhibits urate-induced flavonoids and limonoids contribute to inflammatory effects, and citric acid and potassium support urine. So, good support for the kidney health. In lemon juice also helps to prevent the kidney stone. Lemon juice may help prevent because it has a citrate content within the juice that increase the urinary citrate levels. When a lemon juice is taken, it increases the urinary citrate levels. As a result, that citrate binds with the calcium and reducing the calcium oxalate situation. So it can reduce the calcium oxalate ketone formation. As a result, it is helping lower the risk of certain kidney stones. It also improves the linking lemon waters boost fluid intake, and it helps to flush out ketone forming substances, and also it can have a vitamin C effect. Vitamin C may reduce oxalate excretion, and but you also should avoid the high doses of the vitamin C if you are taking the vitamin C separately. But with the lemon juice, it has an effect. It reduces the calcium oxalate stone formations because it has a more citrate levels within. It's effective for the digestive disorders. It improves digestion. It reducing. What are the digestive lemon juice? Lemon juice has acid. Drinking warm lemon water stimulates the stomach to produce more acid and action, and also stimulates the digestive enzymes that help us to digest the food and help to break down the food. As a result, lemon water encourages also fluid intake that support the digestive tract function, and it also improves the movement that prevents the constipation. So lemon juice, lemon water is good for digestive disorders, and it has an anti-inflammatory effects of flavonoids also that might soothe digestive tract inflammation also, as it helps to aid digestion and improves digestion. In addition to this, it reduces the bloating, because when there is an improved digestion, that may reduce the gas production, that may reduce the bloating also. It has a potential diuretic effect also. It might help reduce water retention, and lemon water encourages more fluid intake. As a result, it improves hydration and food moves smoothly through the intestines, may reduce feeling of fullness and bloating, and warm lemon water, especially in the morning, support gut. It may gently stimulate bowel movement. As a result, it can reduce the gas built-up. So lemon juice is also effective for reducing the. So we have seen lemon juice digestion. It may help reduce bloating. One, we have seen it stimulates the digestive juices and also aids food digestion. Second, it improves hydration and reduces bloating. Third, it supports gut movement and eases the gut and bloating. And then also it is rich in vitamin C, and that is the inflammation. A simple tip is here: drink 1 glass of warm lemon water before breakfast and not on an empty stomach if you have acidity. So a lemon juice is for digestion and also helps to reduce bloating. It also helps to absorb calcium. It enhances the iron absorption when consumed with iron-rich foods like as spinach and lentils, and these vegetables are rich in iron, and when lemon is taken with them, it helps to absorb the iron from the vegetables. And vitamin C enhances also non-heme iron absorption and to help the prevent. Using lemon juice with vegetables boost absorption. As I said, the things with the vegetables which are with iron and with calcium also, lemon with them will help absorb the iron and the calcium also. So calcium absorption is there also. Some evidences suggest that vitamin C may support the calcium absorption. So what's the mechanism of absorption? Iron absorption, vitamin C in lemons reduce ferric iron to ferrous iron, and which is increasing the gut. And also calcium absorption, vitamin C may enhance the calcium absorption by improving the gut environment or interacting with the transport proteins, though it has a very limited evidences. But for the iron, it has been seen that the vegetable is rich in iron, and the lemon added to that will help the absorb the iron. Also, the lemon juice is good for health. It is providing potassium and is a resource of the potassium that helps us maintain healthy blood pressure. And also it has flavonoids like as hesperidin that may reduce the inflammation, and has an antioxidant effect that reduces the oxidative stress, reduce the inflammation, that is benefiting the blood vessels. As a result, there can be an improved endothelial function that may enhance the blood vessel relaxation. As a result, it will have an enhanced blood flow. So also it is considered as a potential lipid profile effect, that is it might help lower the cholesterol, considered as the cholesterol, low density lipoprotein, and it may also improve the high density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, which is considered as the good cholesterol. But evidences varies about it. But overall, the potassium in the lemon is helping the to maintain the good. Also, it can health. The vitamin C that promotes collagen formation in the skin and that supports structure, improve the elasticity, reducing visibility of aging. Also, it is helping to wound the healing. It wounds the healing also. It protects the skin from UV damage. Lemon, being a resource of the vitamin C, helps us to maintain the skin health by by synthesizing the mission. Helpful in severe treatments, which is a disease caused due to the vitamin C deficiency. And since it has a rich source of the vitamin, and the symptoms of the scurvy include the fatigue, weakness, gum disease, bleeding gums, joint pain, poor wound healing. These are symptoms of the vitamin C deficiency. As a result, you will see there are bleeding gums. But when you take vitamin C, the lemon being the rich in the vitamin C, it helps to treat the scurvy. So lemons are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, and they are essential for the tissue repair, and they also replenishes the deficiency. As a result, a person with scurvy is treated with the lemon juice also. It also elevates the arthritis symptoms. What is the arthritis? The arthritis is a joint inflammation causing pain and swelling. So we have a joint inflammation that can be due to wear and tear, which is called as the osteoarthritis, or which can be also rheumatoid arthritis, which is due to an autoimmune issues. But due to wear and tear, be also this arthritis, which can be an inflammation, which can be a pain, can be a stiffness, or the swellings in this. And since this is a resource of vitamin, may help inflammation because of its antioxidant properties, and it has a flavonoids, may help combat oxidative stress, and so it elevates the arthritis symptoms. So there will be a definite relief from the arthritis symptoms. It is acting as an emergency disinfectant. It can disinfect minor wounds in the mouth and the throat. It reduces inflammation of mouth and throat. And lemon's antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe sore throats and mouth ulcers. And you should apply a dilute juice to the affected areas, or should gargle with it several times a day. So it is also a good and an emergency disinfectant because of its antimicrobial and the anti properties. It also elevates the sore throat and the hoarseness, a dryness or the dry cough. Lemons are basically has an expectorant properties. So it relieves cough, may help relieve hoarseness and cough. You should squeeze one lemon, dilute the juice with 1 cup of hot water and gargle 3 times a day. That will relieve you of the sore throat and the hoarseness, and is a readily available medicine at the home when you have sore throat or you have. It helps you heartburn and the nausea. Nausea is a feeling to stomach. One feels may vomit. Heartburn is burning chest pain, which is because of the acid reflex. Since lemon's alkalizing properties may help neutralize stomach acid, and it elevate the nausea and the heartburn symptoms. So it is also good for this stomach acid and also having a feeling of vomiting that time persons or lemon juice. Reduces weight loss because it increases the satiety, that is it promotes a fullness. You feel there is less hunger because it has a pectin fiber within it, and that increases the satiety. As a result, also you will take less food. It boosts hydration, may reduce calorie intake because you will take more water, and it supports digestion also. As we have seen, it aids nutrient absorption and metabolism, replaces sugary drinks, that cuts calories also. It also curbs appetite because when you drink before meals, start with warm lemon water in the morning to kickstart digestion. Try it before meals to reduce hunger, and it could potentially help promote weight loss and improve health. So it just it curbs your appetite. As a result, definitely there will be the less availability of the food, and there will be the reduction in the weight also. Some extra tips here. First is it helps nose bleeding also. You just dribble dilute lemon juice on a cotton ball and apply to the nasal mucosal membrane to stop a nosebleed. The astringent affects tissues, so it can help you stop the nose bleeding. Lemon peel relieves joint and nerve pain. You grate lemon peel, yellow layer only, avoid the white one which is pectin, rub on affected joints, nerves and bandage for 1 to 2 hours. The volatile oils in the peel may help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, relieving pain. As we have seen in the peel, there are a number of the volatile oils present. And it also soothes the sunburn. You apply the dilute lemon juice to sunburned skin with cotton ball. It acts as a relief pain also. There is a lemon leaf tea also. You just see tablespoon dried leaves in 1 cup boiling water for 10 minutes. It reduces fever, relieves cramps, cough, asthma, insomnia, and you do 2 cups with sweeten with honey. And for sleep, drink 1 cup 1 hour before bed. One teaspoon full of lemon peel provides 13% of the vitamin C. You see, there is a one important information. One lemon a day provides 33% of vitamin C. That is sufficient for your daily C requirement. There are shopping tips. Just you opt for an organic if you are using it as peel, and look for a firm, bright, fine-grained skin. Avoid coarse exterior, that may mean thick skin, less juice. Just pick heavy lemons which are like the more juice. Shopping tips is that you should take the heavier one, and also you should take one which has rated skin. A simple tip is that you just drink 1 glass of warm lemon water, that is half of lemon in warm water before breakfast, not on an empty stomach. If you have acidity problems, add lemon juice to salads for a flavor boost. Low calorie and lemon for hand wash. Why? Because it cuts grease. Lemon's acidity breaks down oils, removing food residues. That's why it's using for hand wash also. Antibacterial may help reduce bacteria on skin. It creates freshness because leaves a citrus scent, reducing food odors, which are common after you take fish, garlic, or spicy food preparations. So for when you take these preparations, you are always being restaurants or the hotels a lemon or a lemon water, that is to wash your hands or wash your tips, your fingertips. What are the precautions, limitations, and safety? Lemons are replacement for medical treatment. Consult a healthcare professional for therapeutic uses or specific health concerns. Consult a healthcare professional for specific advice also. Some people may experience acidity with lemon juice. For specific health benefits, consult a healthcare professional. There are some current references for your ready information. And the last slide is about the. I thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like the video, please press the like button and also comment and subscribe for the channel for more shorts and videos. See you in the next video.